The Business Owner's Dilemma: Overcoming the Hidden Challenges of Starting and Running a Business. Starting and running a business is a dream for many. It promises independence, fulfillment, and the chance to build something meaningful. Yet, behind the dream lies a harsh reality: taxes, disorganization, and the constant feeling that you're falling behind. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Many business owners feel overwhelmed by confusing tax laws, endless deadlines, and the fear of making mistakes. Every decision feels critical, and every missed opportunity feels costly. The truth is, the fear of getting it wrong and the frustration of not knowing where to start can leave you stuck, stressed, and second-guessing every move. That's where MyTaxSecrets.com, the Simple Start course, and the guidance of David Tuck, an ex-IRS auditor and financial consultant, come in. Every business owner has asked themselves, am I overpaying on taxes? What am I missing? How do I even begin to organize all this? These questions weigh heavily, especially when you're juggling so much already. It's not just about understanding tax laws, it's about feeling in control of your business. Too often you're left scrambling at the last minute, unsure if you're doing enough or doing it right. You didn't start a business to feel trapped by numbers. You started it to build something great, to achieve freedom, and to take charge of your future. But if your taxes and money systems are in chaos, how can you grow? That's why the Simple Start course exists, to bring clarity and order to your business. It's not just another course. It's a step-by-step guide to help you stop overpaying in taxes, take back your money, and finally feel confident about your business's financial future. Imagine this: knowing exactly what deductions you're entitled to and never leaving money on the table. Setting up simple systems that let you stay organized and save time. Having a clear plan to keep more of what you earn and reinvest in your business. The Simple Start course is designed to make this your reality. You'll learn from David Tuck, an ex-IRS auditor who's seen firsthand how disorganization costs business owners thousands of dollars every year. With his expertise, you'll avoid the mistakes that lead to overpaying and unlock strategies to keep more of your hard-earned money. The best part? It's simple. Whether you're a new business owner or a seasoned entrepreneur, the course meets you where you are and guides you step by step. Here's what you'll gain: clarity. You'll finally understand how to manage your taxes and money without the guesswork. Confidence. No more fear of audits or missing deductions. You'll know you're doing things right. Control. Stop letting taxes run your life and start making your money work for you. You don't need to spend hours digging through confusing tax laws or trying to figure it out on your own. The Simple Start course takes the stress out of the process, giving you the tools you need to save money and time. What happens if you don't act? The longer you wait, the more money you leave on the table. You keep overpaying taxes year after year. You stay stuck in a cycle of disorganization and stress, unsure if you're doing enough. And when tax season rolls around, it's another scramble to pull everything together, only to realize you've missed opportunities to build wealth. Or you could choose a better path. Imagine feeling calm, organized, and in control. Imagine saving thousands of dollars every year simply by setting up the right systems. This isn't just about saving money. It's about building a business and a life you're proud of. Start today. Visit MyTaxSecrets.com to learn more and enroll in the Simple Start course today. With guidance from David Tuck, an ex-IRS auditor and financial consultant, you'll gain the clarity, confidence, and control you need to succeed. Stop overpaying in taxes. Take back your money. Build wealth the smart way. Because everyone deserves to pay less in taxes, and now you can too.